Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the OnePlus 8T. This is the T-Mobile version, so it is a T-Mobile locked device. However, I did get it SIM unlocked from T-Mobile, so I will be able to bootloader unlock it and convert it to the regular OnePlus firmware and get the updates directly from OnePlus. So stay tuned for some videos on that. I just have to wait for my unlock token, which takes about a week from OnePlus. But here's the packaging. It's very similar to what we had with the 8 Pro. And they've added a couple features on this phone that were missing from the 8 Pro, which is why I decided to pick this up and give it a try again. So here's the phone. I did get it in the Ultramarine blue, or green, I think. It's the Ultramarine green. It looks a little bluish though. In here we have the SIM eject tool, which fell out. It's down here at the bottom. As well as the T-Mobile SIM card, because I picked this up, like I said, from T-Mobile. But there we go, SIM card is back in its spot. We have that on that little card. No case included with the T-Mobile version. I don't know if you get one with the OnePlus version or not. We've got a bunch of different stickers on the back here, which is nice, more than that one Apple sticker Apple gives you nowadays. New thing here, we have USB-C to C. So that is nice to see, as well as Warp Charge 65, I believe it is. So very fast charging. I think it's 0 to 40% in like 10 minutes, I think it said. So we do have a USB-C charge brick here, opposed to the USB-A to C that we got in previous models. Same cable, basically, other than the fact that it has USB-C end on the other side. Like I said, they didn't have the silver one at the store, so I just picked this color up. I'm probably going to put a skin on it or a case or something like that, so I don't really care about the color too much. It's ultramarine green, but it looks like baby blue or sky blue in person in the light, but it's still a nice color, just not as nice as the blue we had before, or the black. There's the camera layout, looks like any other phone nowadays. USB-C on the bottom with the SIM tray right there. And that is the phone. It's got the 120 Hz screen, everything like that. Like I said, stay tuned. I will be doing some converting the software to the international version and stuff like that. But I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.